You are not behind because life is unfair. You are behind because you have been comfortable for too long. This is not motivation. This is a wake-up call. If you listen carefully, this will force you to level up fast. First truth: no one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not motivation. Every day you wait for help, you lose time. And time is the one thing you will never get back. Your life will only change when you decide it must. Second truth: your feelings do not matter more than your future. You wait to feel ready. You wait to feel confident. But disciplined people act even when they feel tired, scared, or unsure. If you only work when you feel good, you will stay average forever. Third truth: comfort is quietly ruining your life. The phone, the bed, the easy food, the endless scrolling. None of it feels dangerous, but comfort steals your ambition slowly, day by day. If you do not choose discomfort on purpose, life will force it on you later. Fourth truth: you are exactly where your habits placed you. Not your luck, not your talent. Your habits decide your body, your money, and your confidence. Small actions repeated daily create massive results. Ignore this and nothing changes. Respect this and everything changes. Fifth truth: you do not lack time, you lack priorities. You have time for what matters to you. Check your screen time. Check your excuses. If your goals mattered more, your actions would show it. Be honest with yourself. That honesty is power. Sixth truth: discipline is more important than motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline stays. Discipline is doing the work when no one is watching, when you are tired, when it is boring. This is how ordinary people become dangerous. Seventh truth: you cannot stay who you are and expect a new life. Growth requires identity change. New standards, new routines, new self-respect. You must become someone who does not quit, delay, or negotiate with weakness. Here is the shift you need to make right now. Stop waiting for clarity. Take action. Start small, but start today. Wake up earlier. Train your body. Control your time. Do one hard thing every day, even when you do not want to. Discipline is not punishment. It is freedom. Freedom from regret. Freedom from self-hate. Freedom to look in the mirror and respect the man staring back. Consistency will change how you think, how you walk, how you speak. One day you will realize you are no longer the same person. You will be unrecognizable. But it starts now. Not tomorrow, not next week, right after this video ends. Choose discomfort. Choose action. Level up or stay where you are forever.